Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks about the Smart Fill tool, making an icon. I used to have an icon and then I let it go away and I never put it back. But it would be real important because you don't have to go to the flyout for the interactive fill tool to get the Smart Fill tool. So we're going to make a new icon. It's a little bit tricky in a way on this toolbar. I'm going to hold down, I'm going to go to this, get the Smart Fill, hold down the Control and the Alt key, and you've made it. Now you could leave it there, but we want to dock it. It's real hard to dock it now, but if you go all the way over to you get that gray box, it's going to make a new Smart Fill toolbar. We can get rid of that in just a second. Now you can take this and move it, hold down the Control and the Alt key to move it, and you can place it right below that. Then to get rid of that, all we have to do is right click and take away that new toolbar. So now then I would go to Tools and save as default, and it'll always be there. So now when I want the interactive fill tool, I got it right there. And if I want the Smart Fill tool, I got it right there. Now, right now, it looks like both of them are Smart Fill, but this is normally when you open up a document, this will be your Smart Fill flat, much as this your eyedropper. And I'm missing my pen tool for some reason. So I'll go to, and I don't ever use it, but you can turn on your outline tool there and it's there. So there's that new Smart Fill. So if we want to turn it off, we can turn it on and off. But Smart Fill to me is the one of the neater tools because you can make a new object. That's a new object. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.